is because you're into weddings. Were there Adorata wedding dresses also used in the film?
Yes, po.
Meron.
Yeah, yung
Mrs.
last,
Ano?
yung totoong wedding.
Meron talaga. Ano totoong wedding?
Yeah, yung, maraming weddings dito nangyari.
Ano yung mga painful realities that you discovered while, kasi before pagbata ka pa, you imagine how you want your wedding to look like, and then while making the film, ay ganun pala yun. Yung mga ganun.
Dito sa pelikulang to, makikita ng mga mag-boyfriend pa lang or yung nagsisimula pa lang mag-asawa kung ano yung itsura ng karamihan sa mga bago pa lang na mag-asawa. Siyempre, pag magkasama kayo sa isang bahay, siyempre, iba yung chami-chami na, mag-date tayo, sunduin kita. Hindi kayo magkasama sa isang house, hindi kayo magkasama 24 hours. Pero dito, sa movie, pinakita dito na magkasama 24 hours. Iba pala yung feeling kapag kasama mo na yung tao sa taong mahal mo sa iisang bubong. Doon mo ipapakita kung totoong mahal mo siya. Tatanggapin mo yung mali at yung mga tama sa isang tao. If you truly love your partner.
Wow.
Yes.
Romantic.
Wow.
Isn't it?
Isn't it amazing?
Thank you, Kim. Si Sia naman, kasi I met you in Two Funerals at 2010, the first time I met you. And
Hindi movie po yun.
Oo nga. Met you there the first time and now you're still in comedy. What can you share as an actor? Kung bakit, what is it that you do, you think, that you can share to other people? Bakit effective si Sian Lim as a heartthrob and a comedy actor?
First time, to be honest, first time ko po yan narinig na someone told me na effective po.
Liguan
Oo nga, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you po dyan thank you. And siguro I can say, na-speechless ako. I can say po na I really work hard. I really want this. And palagi ko pong paulit-ulit sinasabi na not everyone's given this wonderful chance na meron po ako ngayon. Next year is gonna be my 5th year. I think, yes, next year po. And sa bilis po ng mga pangyayari, I'm just thankful. And pag may binigay sa akin talaga, kung hindi ko man po alam kung paano gagawin niya, I will work hard to know how to do that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you din po.
Si Direk May naman, isa-isa, sorry po.
Okay lang yan.
Direk May, from the girl, dun sa car, story, the girl in the rain. Ito naman si Brian. Yung bang, yung mga wedding thoughts and stories mo, paano to naka-share dun sa story ni Miss Carly? Paano naman yung how did you share your own personal wedding experiences?
Actually, kasi nga I'm getting married nga this year, so I'm bright for real. So bale parang yun nga, when they offered the project to me, when sila Carmi presented the concept, ganyan, parang it's a collaboration naman, na parang nung diniscuss namin, sabi ko, well, given that this is, she asked me the right questions sabi niya, ikaw, now that you're getting married, ano ang ina-expect mo, ano ang gusto mo, or ano yung mga realizations mo. So, parang na-apply ko, or parang at least through the movie, I'm able to impart, or parang we're able to impart ko ano yung mga views ko or my stand on marriage. Yung parang like, love and commitment and forever. And this day and age nga na marami nang naghihiwalay, parang hindi na, kung mga sabi nga nung isang kaibigan ko sa akin, kami na nga daw, yung family ko daw, dysfunctional na kasi hindi na nga normal daw na hindi yung hiwalay ang magulang. In fact, in the movie, we looked for real life couples. And nahirapan kaming maghanap ng mga matagal nang nagsasama kasi marami nga hiwalay na. So, you know, this is just parang this is to also to inspire people that meron pa ring nagtatagal. Ano ang sikreto sa mga mag-aasawa or marriages na nagtatagal? Because it's something that I am hoping for myself, because that's what I saw sa parents ko and, you know, the parents of my future in-laws. So parang nangyayari pa rin eh. So it's something that we just want to let people be reminded of and be inspired with. Kasi, di ba, we all hope for something that lasts forever. So yun.
With that follow-up question, would you say that it's important to give a lasting, memorable, grand wedding to make that memory last a lifetime or make a stronger relationship?
Wedding is just a day, marriage is forever. So, parang, so parang sa akin, hindi importante yung other, you know, the grandness of a wedding. The wedding day is just a day. What will make the marriage last is your day-to-day relationship with one another, with each other.
Thank you, Miss May.